When it comes to online trading platforms, two popular options are Webull and E TRADE. In this tutorial, we will compare the two and help you decide which one is better for your needs. First, let's look at the fees associated with each platform. Webull offers commission-free trading for stocks, options, and ETFs, while E TRADE charges a commission of $6.95 per trade for stocks and ETFs, and $6.95 plus 75 cents per contract for options. Next, let's consider the user interface and mobile app. Webull has a more modern and user-friendly interface, with a highly rated mobile app that allows for easy trading on the go. E TRADE's interface is more traditional, but still easy to use, with a mobile app that is also highly rated. In terms of investment options, both platforms offer a wide range of choices, including stocks, options, ETFs, and mutual funds. However, Webull offers more advanced trading tools and features, such as technical analysis and paper trading. Another important consideration is customer support. Both platforms offer phone, email, and live chat support, but Webull's support team is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, while E TRADE's support team is only available during business hours. Finally, let's look at the account minimums and requirements. Webull has no account minimums or maintenance fees, while E TRADE requires a minimum deposit of $500 to open a brokerage account. In conclusion, Webull is a better choice for active traders who want advanced trading tools and features, while E TRADE is a better choice for casual investors who want a more traditional trading experience. Ultimately, the choice between Webull and E TRADE depends on your individual needs and preferences. It is recommended to try out both platforms and see which one works best for you.